Hi students, in this video we're going to see about how to make a journal entries for different transactions. I am Mahalakshmi, working as Assistant Professor of Commerce Computer Application, VV Vanya Perumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. So we're going to see how to make a journal entry for capital, purchase goods, purchase of assets, then sales of goods, sales of an assets, income, so what journal entry made for an income, and expenses, and lastly for drawings. We'll be going to see this one by one elaborately. First of all, business is started with a capital. So in that case, we already know that accounting concept, business entity concept. That is, business is separate from the owner. Here, Ram started a business with a capital of rupees 1 lakh. Here, we have to assume Ram is a separate person and business is a separate one. So, Ram invested a capital means business receives that money and Ram gives that money. So, you all must understand, first, when the business receives cash. So, எப்போலாம் ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ்க்குள்ள கேஷ் உள்ள வருதோ, we have to debit cash account. So, here also the business receive cash in the form of capital. Okay. So, cash account debtor to who is giving? Ram as a capital. So, here we write to Ram's capital account. So, entry for capital investment is cash account debtor to Ram's capital account. Journalizing, being business started with a capital. So, this is the format for journal entry: date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. Here I have mentioned RS for rupees, but you have write rupees symbol. Okay. So, this is the entry for capital investment, cash account debtor to Ram's capital account. Then next one, goods purchased. So, goods may purchased for cash or credit. Here, on 3/4/2020, purchased goods from Raghu worth rupees 5,000 for cash. Here we have the name of the seller and then mention cash. So, we can treat this one as cash purchase. So, you can assume at the time of purchase, what will happen? Cash goes outside. So, you can pay the cash and purchase goods. Okay. So, purchase goods means you have to write purchase account. Or purchase machinery means you have to purchase an asset. So, machinery is an asset. So, you have to write not purchase that place. You have to write only machinery. Okay. So, at the time of purchasing assets, you have to write the heads of asset only. Purchase goods, you have to write purchase. Can you understand? Okay. So, here the cash purchase is made. So, the journal entry is purchase account data to cash account. So, at the time of purchase, cash is go outside. So, when the time cash go outside, we have to credit the cash. So, purchase account data to cash account. Next, for credit purchase, here the transaction is purchased goods from Raghu worth rupees 5,000. So, this is treated as a credit purchase. So, here mention the name of the seller, Raghu. So, not mention cash. So, this is the credit purchase. At the time of credit purchase, we have made a journal entry: purchase account data to Raghu account. So, at the time of cash purchase, to cash. At the time of credit purchase, to Raghu. So, purchase account debited, Raghu account credited here. Okay. So, next one, assets purchased. So assets means machinery, building, land, furniture, like anything. So purchased machinery worth rupees 50,000. So this is the cash purchase. So here purchased machinery. So what I already said, if the assets are purchased, we have to debited the particular asset account. So here the asset is machinery. So machinery account debtor to cash. So at the time of purchasing machinery also we have to pay cash. So cash go outside. So we have to credited credit cash account. So what comes inside? Machinery comes inside, cash go outside. So machinery account debtor to cash. So the next entry is, next transaction is asset purchased for credit. So machinery purchased from Godrej and Co. Here we can mention the supplier. So this is a credit purchase. In that case, we have to make a journal entry, machinery account debtor to Godrej and Co. Okay, because this is a credit purchase. Okay, girls. So next one, goods sold. So goods also sold for cash and then credit. At the time of cash sales, we have to make a journal entry, cash account debtor to sales. So you can imagine what is done at the time of goods sold. Cash comes inside and goods sold outside. Okay, so at the time of cash receives inside, we have to make put cash account debited. Okay, so cash account debtor to sales. At the time of cash sales, you have to debited the cash account and credited the sales account. Second one, credit sales. So goods sold to Raju. So here the name of the person is mentioned. So we have to treat this one as credit sales. So at the time of credit sales, we have to debited the person account. So Raju account debtor to sales. We have to goods sold to Raju. Okay. So Raju account debtor to sales. So you have to make differentiate between the cash sales and then credit sales. At the time of cash sales, you have to debited the cash account. At the time of credit sales, you have to debited the person account. Okay, so Raju, Ramu, like that. Okay. Next one, assets sold. If the business sold the asset, so machinery is an asset. If the business sold machinery, so the journal entry for machinery is machinery sold is cash account debtor to machinery account. At the time of machinery sold, the business receive cash and then machinery goes outside. Okay, so cash comes inside, machinery goes outside. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash comes inside, so debit cash account, machinery goes outside. So we have to credit the machinery account. The next one, income received. So any type of income. So you have to received from outside. At that time also you have to received. So cash come inside. So you have to write a journal entry, cash account debtor to some heads of income account. Okay, so the income like interest, dividend, discount. So you have to write cash account debtor to particular income account. Here we have the example, discount received rupees 1000. So you have to write a journal entry, cash account debtor to discount account. If you receive interest, cash account debtor to interest account. If you receive a dividend, cash account debtor to dividend account. Okay girls, so this is the entry for income. The next one, expenses paid. So in a business, we have to pay lot of expenditure under salary, rent, wages, advertisement, telephone, etc. So here we have an example. Paid advertisement expenses amounted to rupees 1000. So what we done at the time of expenditure, cash go outside. Okay, so cash go outside means we have to credited the cash. So credit the cash account. So here also we have to debit the name of expenditure. So advertisement, salary, wages. Okay, all these advertisement expenses must be debited. So advertisement account data to cash. If you pay salary account data to cash. If you pay rent account data to sales. Like that you can make journal entry for expenditure. And then last one, drawings. So drawing is nothing but the owner may withdraw cash from the business for personal use. Okay. Sometimes they can withdraw cash. Sometimes they can draw a check for withdraw money from the bank. Sometimes they can draw in the form of goods also. So in the three form we have the owner may withdraw money from the business. So Ram withdraw rupees 3000 as cash for personal use. So here also the money is outside to the business. Okay, so we have to credit the cash account, right? So in what way it will go from the business? Through drawings. Okay, so in all such case you have to debit the drawings account data, but the drawing is made in the form of cash to cash account. If the drawing is made in the form of check, you have to write to bank. Okay, so because it will affect the bank account, so to bank account. If the drawing is made through goods, you have to write to purchase account. Okay, so at the time of purchase goods, you have to write the journal entry purchase account data to cash. So goods withdraw from the business, you have to create the purchase account. So drawings account data to purchase. Okay, hope all you are make idea about how to write a journal entry for different transactions through this video. Thank you for watching.